Welcome back, guys. As we know, in Samsung nowadays mobile is not coming with fully loaded applications. Some applications Samsung is not giving in their mobile nowadays. So in this video we will talk about those applications, and I will tell you from where and how we can install those important apps, official missing Samsung apps. I will talk about 3 or 4 apps. So welcome back, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and before proceeding further, I would like to request you, the guys who are visiting first time, please subscribe this channel, and please share with their friends if they like the video. So not wasting much of your time, let us start the video. Now coming to the first app, it is image to text converter. So suppose here, from where we can get it, just write here copy text on image. In Play Store we'll just search it, and this application, copy text on image by SHAR codes, we will go. I have already installed it, so open is coming. In your case, you should install this application, and after installing this, when you open it, it will come like that. You have to give some permissions. So now what will happen, suppose I am switching my monitor on, and then I am just turning to select the image. Suppose this image I am capturing, so just this image I am capturing this. Okay, just go and capture it. Now it will ask that is it okay? Is it okay? Yes. Now we have to just select it. What text we want to convert, just crop. Now this is converted. So this is a very good app, image to text converter. So now let me adjust it. Now clear test. This is about the first app. The second app I want to tell you is applock. Although secure is there, but in nowadays Samsung is not giving that applock. So in that case, just we go to the Play Store, and here write applock for Samsung. Just open it and use it. Fingerprint sensor is also coming. Just lock your folder by this applock. And the third one I will tell you is internet speed meters. Here you can say it is 0, 1 it is varying. So how this internet speed meter will come? It does not come automatically. So for this, we just go to the Play Store, and here type internet. I have to tell one more application, internet speed meter. I have installed it. Just open it, and after opening it, it will not ask for anything, and that data rate will be shown here. So this is the third application. And the fourth application, we can go and see the official music app is not given by the Samsung. So Samsung Music app can also be installed in case you are lover of music. So this is all about today's tutorial. If you like this, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.